Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing.
Hey there everyone, welcome back to Measure and Mix. Today I am outside bearing the cold weather to decorate my front porch for Christmas because I feel like I am so late to the game on decorating everything this year. I don't know, I feel off this year. So I want to get my front porch decorated and I want to bring you guys along with me to do that. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. The first thing I'm going to be doing is using these 9-foot pre-lit holiday lights garland from Lowe's. I got these this weekend for $4.98 and I got 3 of them. So I'm going to wrap 2 of them around each pillar of the front of my house, and then I'm going to take the other one and probably, I don't know, maybe string it. It's 9 foot, that's probably longer than 9 foot, maybe around my door. So I don't know, let's do it.
Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family.
Alright, so the garland is wrapped around my pillars as best as they're gonna get. 9 feet of garland doesn't go as far as what I thought it would go. So, but it works. I mean, they were only $5. And the last piece of garland didn't work above my doorway. It's not long enough and it just kept falling off from the nails that are on there. So I'm not gonna fool with it and worry about that. I'm gonna move on to the next project. So the next thing I'm gonna do is fill these planters. I had this planter here that I bought a long time ago that has dirt in it that I always put flowers in. And I think I'm gonna put some stuff in this bucket that I got at the Habitat for Humanity store for like $5. So I picked up this fresh greenery from my local plant nursery where we got our Christmas tree this year. We got a fresh Christmas tree from there, and they had clippings from bushes and trees and things like that, and they were selling them for anywhere between $1.99 to $3.99. So I picked up 3 bunches. You can actually get clippings like this at a Christmas tree farm if you go and cut down your Christmas tree fresh every year. And we normally do that, and they always have like a big pile of fresh greenery there from the cut Christmas trees that they have to trim off. And you just pick up what you want and take it home, and it's free. But at your local garden center, they charge you for those. But it's not that expensive. Like I said, it was like $1.99 to $3.99. And you can pick these up at Home Depot and Lowe's as well. So yeah, I thought it was a pretty good deal. So what I'm gonna do is I have some blueberried juniper, some noble fir greens, and then I also have some white pine as well. So I don't know, I'm just gonna kind of build these up, or at least this one. And I might do something else with this one. Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having. I picked up this 8-foot piece of birch wood from my local nursery when I picked up my greenery and my Christmas tree this past weekend. It was $19.99 for this 8-foot piece, which I thought was a lot more affordable, and I could cut it down myself. And I'm gonna add some to the arrangement that I just made, and then I'm gonna take some and use it as decor, or I could use it for other things that I make in my DIYs later on. So, because I know that these are kind of expensive if you get them already cut at the store, tied in a ribbon, whatever. They're like $15.99, $19.99 for 3 little pieces. So I'm gonna get a few pieces out of this. So let's go cut it.
Been a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance.
Okay, I'm inside quickly because I am going to make 6 wreaths to hang from my windows in the front of my house. So I have 6 wreath forms from Dollar Tree, and then I have 6 of the 15-foot garland pieces, and I'm just gonna take the garland and wrap it around each wreath form.
Dance and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be.
Now that my garland is all wrapped around my wreath form, I'm gonna take some clear lights, and I am just gonna go ahead and wrap those around my wreath form as well.
Dance and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and
All right, now to hang my wreath, I'm gonna use this buffalo check ribbon I got from Joann Fabrics this weekend. And all I'm gonna do is take that and place it up and around the wreath. And then I'm gonna cover up the wire to the lights, or the cord to the lights, with the ribbon. And I'm gonna approximately cut it about as long as the cord is. And then this is what will hang the wreath from the window. So this part will be in between the window, and it will just hang outside like this, and then this side will be inside your house, plugged into your wall with an extension cord.
hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year
Thank you guys so much for coming along with me while I decorated my front porch this year for Christmas. Check out my video from last year on how I decorated my front porch for Christmas by clicking the iCard up above or the link down below in the description box. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. And I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.
hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the